my name is MSVHB, and I'm here with SpicyBear102, and we're playing Minecraft, and as you can see here, I'm about to crash. This is basically a crash in a box, that's what this is. We're about to explode it. Alright, Alex, you ready? Yeah, it is. Alright, Alex, you ready? Because my computer doesn't have many files, so it needs to hurry up. I only got like, as you can see, I'm getting 20 fraps. Yeah, around 20 fraps. Alright, ready? 3. Alex, are you ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1, I'm dropping the dynamite. Oh! Oh my god! This is a lot! My computer is handling this so well. My computer is actually going to handle this, I think. Oh my god, I'm lagging so hard. Oh my god. My computer's still fine. Knowing my luck, I'm just going to randomly crash. Alright, let's get... Now I have to get close. Oh, everything is gone. Everything is dead. We killed everything. Alex?
Maybe, possibly just...
Alex? What are you doing?
Nothing.
I'm lagging terribly now. No, don't set off tornadoes, please! Great! Great. The game is not gonna love this one. We're using a mod, by the way. It's a mod pack. And my computer is doing actually really well. I have 6 fraps! 4 fraps, 3 fraps. Ah, lightning. I'm dropping some dynamite, whatever. Yeah. Enjoy that dynamite, did you? Bang. Artisan explosion. All my Naruto fans. You know what it is. Alright. Well, I'm gonna stop recording now because I'm definitely gonna crash soon.
No, keep it recording, keep it recording.
I can't handle so much. Alex, my computer, literally can't record this super long.
I know.
It can only record for about, 5 minutes. And we're already on 2 minutes, so... we need to hurry this up. Alright. You literally just witnessed my computer handle that big of an explosion. Sure, it doesn't run on high fraps, but it's beautiful. My computer is beautiful.
The explosions aren't supposed to lag your computer, they work kind of there.
This is lagging my computer.
They're not supposed to lag your computer too bad, or crash it for that matter. Or Minecraft, I should say.
Then why did you lie to me? Why would you lie to me? Don't lie to me! How could you?
Well, that's what the tornadoes, yeah, they like the crap out of your computer. What are your fraps at?
About?
What?
1 frame per second, yeah.
I have like 30.
Oh, shh! Knocking down my crap. Alright, well, I think I'm gonna sign off now, Alex.
Oh, yeah, we need to record.
Alright! Just gonna sign off.
No!
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it, Alex. I did it. I did it. We're done recording. Yeah.
I want it.
Get trolled.
I hate to see what you're getting.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
I'm getting bad lag. I can't,
Oh, that sucks. Sucks, man.
I can still see my waypoint.
Oh my god, look at this beautiful massacre.
Jesus freaking Christ.
Oh, I'm getting 6 frames. Over here so I don't die.
I'm directly next to the tornado miss, by the way. So Alex, I trolled you. We never actually signed off. Alright, see you guys. Seriously signing off. Bye-bye. Lag! Oh my god! I cannot move!